Meanwhile, weeks ahead of the Ram Mandir inauguration, the arrest of a car sevak in Karnataka's Hubli has sparked a big face-off locally. 50-year-old Shrikant Pujari has been arrested for his alleged role in riots that broke out in Hubli after the Babri Masjid demolition in 1992. Take a look. Weeks to go for the Mandir unveiling. And the arrest of this man has sparked a political showdown in Karnataka. 50-year-old Shrikant Pujari has been arrested in Hubli for his role in a 31-year-old case for allegedly rioting in Hubli in 1992 during the Babri Masjid movement. His arrest 31 years later has led to protests in the district as Hindu groups have hit the streets questioning the timing of Pujari's arrest. The administration says they're now opening old cases and ensuring the accused are nabbed.
In one such rioting cases, which was reported in 92, one of the accused, we were successful in apprehending him. And for us, it is just another riot case in which the accused was absconding and whom we have secured along with the absconders in other cases.
The ruling Congress party.
But the BJP has lashed out at the Congress government, calling Pujari's arrest an anti-Hindu move.
Bharatiya Janata Party strongly condemns the act of the state government, the act of the police. We demand the Congress party, Congress government should immediately release Shrikant Pujari. Tomorrow, Bharatiya Janata Party has arranged a massive protest across the state of Karnataka.
ये तो आपने को किसी को भी कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये जो काम कर रहे हैं, जो राम मंदिर के लिए लड़े थे, उन लोगों को 30-40 साल के बाद अभी अंदर डाल रहे हैं. इसके बारे में पहले आंजनेय और सिद्धरामैया दोनों सोचने दो, बाद में इसके बाद रिएक्ट करें.
The Karnataka government, however, has defended the arrest, with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah saying old unsolved cases are now being reopened to ensure no criminals are spared. He also dismissed any claims of the timing being linked to the Mandir opening.
ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡದವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಹಳೆ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ದ್ವೇಷದ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಿರಾಪರಾಧಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬಂಧಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಹುಬ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 32 ಕೇಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದದ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದು ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅವನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
The arrest of Pujari for his alleged role in the 1992 riots has been linked now to the Mandir unveiling, leading to the Congress firefighting another controversy. Bureau Report, India Today.